So this is we actually predict, if you have been following consistently, we predicted this sell on our Euro GBP. We said that this sell will be definitely going to take out, and Euro GBP did exactly what we predicted it to do. Now this is the pullback that Euro GBP has given us. Our next movement on Euro GBP for the day will be sell. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button. You can also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So subscribe, like, share. Now, let's start with our trend on our Euro GBP. So with our movement, we are going to easily predict what we're going to do. You all know that movement, which is trade with the trend. But first, what is the trend? The trend says this is the low, and here comes the lower high. This is also the lower low, and here comes the lower high right here. Markets eventually did the lower low, and here comes the lower high. Market was able to drop again and form this low. Here comes the lower high. Markets give us another lower low, and this is the lower high. So with this lower high that has been made, we are expecting market to give us some more drop to till it form a new lower low. So this is one of the reasons why for the day we are expecting EURGBP to give us a bearish move, meaning we should expect it to sell, give us more sell for the day. Now with this movement right here, but probably if markets can push up one more time, it will most likely drop in. So a sell setup is what we'll be looking out for, which should play out in the London section. You all know Euro and GBP tends to move well during the London section. So we should be looking for the sell setup in the London section. Should be looking, but if there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on those updates, just subscribe and click on the bell notification to stay updated.